Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison, an American school dropout, was a genius and a businessman by profession. His list of inventions includes the phonograph, the first commercial incandescent light, carbon microphone, and the light bulb. He found his own company called as the Edison Electric Light Company. He started off as a telegraph operator and learned the basics of electricity during his tenure before he left his job and started experimenting and working on night shifts. The electric vote recorder was his first United States patent. From then onwards, he used intellectual property rights and did mass production of his inventions to make high profits in business. He built a kinetoscope, designed two-way telegraph, and patented a system of electricity distribution to get the most out of his major invention of a lamp. His motto was to make electricity highly affordable, as candle would be used only by the rich, which is found true even after 100 years of the invention of a bulb. He is the only scientist to have made more than 1,000 inventions during his entire career. Thomas Hunt Morgan. Thomas Hunt Morgan was an evolutionary biologist, geneticist, embryologist, and science author. He was born on 25th September 1866 at Lexington, Kentucky, USA. Since childhood, he had shown an immense interest in natural history. In 1890, he completed his PhD from Johns Hopkins University and researched embryology during his term at Bryn Mawr. Morgan left an important legacy in genetics. His discoveries formed the basis of the modern science of genetics. Morgan spent 24 years of period at Columbia University, where his attention was drawn towards the actions of cytology on the broader aspects of biological interpretation. He was perhaps most renowned for his fly lab. Morgan wrote 22 books and 370 scientific papers. During his eminent career, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1933 for the discovery of the role played by chromosomes in heredity. He died on 4th December 1945. Thomas Saint. Thomas Saint, a skilled craftsman in cabinetry, patented a design of the sewing machine in the year 1790. He was the first to design it, but this invention was not advertised by him. The machine was initially used for sewing canvas and leather materials only. There wasn't evidence available for the product since Cent had not advertised it. A looper, an arm that hung, a needle bar, and a mechanism for input were the features incorporated in the first sewing model. It was at the Patent Office in London in the year 1874 that the drawings of Thomas Saint were identified by William Newton Nelson, a manufacturer. In the looper, a few adjustments were made. He then worked on building a machine that worked effectively. The London Science Museum owns this sewing machine. As per history, in the year 1807, a sewing machine was also developed by Joseph Madersperger, a tailor from Austria. Tim Berners-Lee. Sir Timothy John, known by the name of Tim Berners-Lee, was born on 8 June 1955. He is also recognized as Tim B.L. He is a British computer scientist and the inventor of the World Wide Web. In March 1989, he prepared a plan for an information management system. On 25th December 1990, through the help of Robert Kailau and a young student at CERN, he implemented the first victorious communication between a hypertext transfer protocol client and server using the internet. Now Berners-Lee is the director of the World Wide Web Consortium and founder of the World Wide Web Foundation, and a senior investigator and holder of the Founders Chair at the MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. Berners-Lee was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II for his revolutionary work in 2004. He was also privileged as the inventor of the World Wide Web in a division of the 2012 Summer Olympics opening ceremony. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.